Hey guys, I have another PR haul for you. Today I just have a couple of parcels. I've got one from COLOURPOP and one from Mercier, but I just really wanted to show you guys them, so let's get into it. First one is from COLOURPOP. And this is the High Tide and Fine Feathered mini collections, which is really exciting. So it says mini collections made just for you. It says take your pick with our two newest 9-pan mini collections in High Tide and Fine Feathered. So in each collection you get the palette and you also get a Super Shock Duo and the BFF Cream Gel Liner Duos. So they look super cute. So this is how it looks here. So we have obviously the High Tide collection, which is all like blues. Then we have the Fine Feathered collection, which is like the pinks. So we'll start with the Fine Feathered. So first we have the palette, and I just love this packaging. It's so pretty, super cute. Once again, it's like that cardboard like 9-pan packaging. This palette's really pretty, guys. So this is how it looks here. It's quite like deep, like kind of mauvey purple shades. It's really pretty palette. I really like that one, and I don't know yet if I'm going to keep it. I can't decide. I think it's absolutely stunning, but I also know I have so many palettes, so I really can't decide. And I feel like if I had to choose, I'd probably choose the blue one, so we'll see. Then we have the On the Wing Super Shock Shadow Duo. It comes with two shades, Bubbly and I think it's Plummy. I have no idea. So this is the shades here. They're super cute in their little pink packaging. So we have like a more kind of like champagne-y pinky color, and then like a dark kind of berry kind of color. So this one here is Plummy, I think that's what it's called, I have no idea. And this one here is Bubbly. I'll just open them up so you guys can see. So that's them there. That's Bubbly, really pretty. And then that is Plummy, if that's how you say it. I really don't know, I'm really sorry. These are super cute. I love the Super Shock Shadow formula, but I think I will be giving these ones away because I have so many like single eyeshadows and like the Jelly Mutt shadows from COLOURPOP. I absolutely love them. I feel like I have way too many, so but yeah, they are really cute. Then we have the two gel liners. So this is the little So Charming set, and it comes with Loverboy and Charmer. They look like the prettiest shades, guys. Like, oh, so nice. So obviously we have like a more kind of like pinky and then like a more deep purple. So this one here is Loverboy, and you can see it's this really cool like pink shade. And then we have Charmer, which is this really deep purple. Just super cute. Love that. So that is the Fine Feathered collection, and now we have the High Tide. So this is the palette here. So beautiful. Love the packaging once again. And then this is the palette here, guys. It is absolutely stunning. It's all these like beautiful teal shades, like greens, blues. Oh, I absolutely love it. So stunning. I think I'll definitely do a video on this palette. It's just so pretty. Then we have the Wave Breaker Super Shock Shadow Duo. This one comes with Coconut and Share Thing, and they come in this like really pretty like pastel green blue. So first we have, oh sorry, it's called Sure Thing. I thought that didn't make much sense. I was like, Share Thing, okay. So this is Sure Thing, guys. This is right up my alley. So beautiful. And then the other shade is called Coconut, and it's like this beautiful deep blue. So stunning. So stunning. So yeah, that's the Wave Breaker little kit, I guess. And then we have the Hang Teal Duo Liner Duo with Zulu and Catsuit. And these liners are beautiful. So we have Zulu first, which is like this beautiful kind of like aqua teal, like really pretty. And then we have Catsuit, which is like this deeper green, like, which is stunning. So yeah, I absolutely love them. I think the little mini collections are so cute, and I feel like it's a really nice way to kind of like vamp up a look almost, because like it's not just the palette, you get like the little like accessories, I guess, to add extra stuff to the look, like the cream liners and the Super Shock shadows. I think that's a really cool idea. But yeah, thank you so much COLOURPOP for sending those over. I love them, they're very cute. And now we're going to go to the Laura Mercier package. So this one came firstly in this box. It said fragile, and I was like, okay. And then we have a second box. It came in quite a big box, and I was like, okay, cool. And then when I opened it up, so cool, guys. It came with this little card, and it said, more surprises at the bottom of this box. Please remove the top layer. Got my little handwritten note, which I absolutely adore. These are so special, and I keep every single one. So yeah, got my note. And then we have the little like information card. So it says, new tinted moisturizer, oil free, the secret to healthy blurred matte skin. So it says, Laura Mercier reintroduces the iconic tinted moisturizer, oil free, with the same great formula. This secret to an effortless, shine free, no makeup look gives the skin an oil free hydration, never leaving it greasy. It says the tinted moisturizer, oil free, that's a really big mouthful, isn't it? Is formulated with oil absorbing powders and infused with skin loving ingredients, including licorice root extract and vitamin E. This cult loving favour also provides non-greasy, soothing hydration, healthy blurred matte finish, colour true wear, effortless even coverage, protection from environmental aggressors. So that's so cool. And then on the back, it says the Laura Mercier 5-minute makeup challenge. Are you up for a challenge? And I think I'm going to try this on my TikTok. I feel like this will be a really cool little video. So it says, tinted moisturizer, oil free is the perfect base to effortless no makeup makeup. This moisturizing, never greasy formula only takes a minute to apply. We're challenging you to show off how you can create an effortless look using the tinted moisturizer, oil free, in just 5 minutes. The time it would take your morning coffee to brew. Laura Mercier invites you to start your day by playing with makeup to get you ready and confident no matter what you have planned. Let us see how you create your makeup routine video and be sure to tag us. I'm really excited, so I think I'm going to try that on my TikTok in the next couple of days. And then when I opened it, this is what I saw. The cutest PR package, honestly. So we'll talk about the makeup first, and then we'll talk about the cool bits in the bottom. So this is the Tinted Moisturizer Oil Free Natural Skin Perfector. Mine is in the shade 1W1 Porcelain, so I'm really excited to try this. I reckon it'll be very, very nice, and I definitely want to do that little challenge thing, which I think I will do. And then we have this little coffee pot. Isn't that so cute? I'm gonna like cherish this for the rest of my life. I absolutely love coffee, and this is just so sweet. So it's just got Laura Mercier there. So cute. Can't wait to display that somewhere in my studio. And then when we take off the top layer, we have this. So we have two little pots. We have a green tea and a little coffee pot, which I think is so cute. So I think I'm going to fill these with something and display them around my room as well. Probably won't fill them with coffee or green tea because, I don't know, I want to display something cute in there. But yeah, those are so, so cute. And then we also have this little timer, which is just the sweetest. So it has minutes, seconds, stop and start. So this is obviously how you do your 5-minute makeup challenge, which is just so exciting. I cannot wait, guys. So yeah, thank you so much, Laura Mercier. This is such a cool parcel, and I really can't wait to try out the makeup. So I'm definitely going to do like the 5-minute makeup challenge. So follow me over on TikTok if you want to see that. It should be up in the next couple of days or so, hopefully. But yeah, that is everything for today. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much to ColourPop and Laura Mercier. Yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!